Salam everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're making Seekh Kebabs. I've listed all the ingredient details in the description box below as usual. Here are some of the spices that we'll need. So we'll start off by chopping 2 medium onions. When they're nicely chopped, we'll remove the excess water from the onions. We'll add the water-free onions to the meat. Now we'll add in the fat and give everything a nice mix. Step by step, add in all of the mentioned spices and give it a good mix. Marinate the meat for about 2 to 4 hours and then by using a food processor, process the meat until it's finely minced. After preparing the mince, you can assemble it on the roaster stick and barbecue. That's it for today. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe and turn that black thumb below. I'll see you in my next video with another recipe. Till then, take care, live long.